Yeah, the partnership between SAP and HCLTech is unique and is really very strategic because HCLTech is the only large company in the world who's engaged with SAP on all three important dimensions. One is really being a backbone for delivering SAP RISE operations. And the second and very important thing is we are integral to a lot of product development efforts in SAP's product roadmaps. And the third and the most important is the SAP Migration Factory, where we help customers to migrate to the new solutions, RISE and other things, to really accelerate this whole migration journey in a predictable and cost-efficient manner. That's where the Migration Factory comes in. So I think we have all these three blocks which are very important in any large partnership. Now, with the deep engineering capabilities of HCLTech and the innovation possibilities using BTP, I think we can really create very compelling industry-specific use cases. And the lab that we've inaugurated today will also help in ideating with customers, coming up with new solutions, and scaling them, and really creating a roadmap to scale them. So I see enormous opportunities for this partnership as we move forward.